Alright, so we're going to be starting off by saying, I don't know what the hell this thing is, and I need help, like, identifying it. But, yeah. So here we have a, hugger. That's all I have to say. And, yeah, my Zephyr's cut loose and the glass is off, so I'm going to take it down soon. But, yeah, I got this ceiling fan at a house clean-out place. So it's like, they'll like do house cleanouts, and then they'll sell their stuff at their facility. And this thing is so weird. It's not a Breezeway. I thought it was, but it's not. So this fan was like semi-new in box, I guess you can say, because if let me go get the blades. But yeah, here are the blades. They are still wrapped right here. They're little baby blades, so I thought it was a Breezeway, but no, at first I thought it had a 5-blade motor, right? But no, it doesn't, now that I'm putting the blades on. These blades came from my Gulf Coast Dixie Belle, which is right over there. But I don't know if you would see a Harbor Breeze fan with a Westinghouse logo. Like, the housing doesn't even say Harbor Breeze anywhere. And I know, I ended up getting this for $15. No! I know, you guys can yell at me all you want. It was quite a bit for this fan, since I had no irons or nothing. That's why I put this on. Stop your kicking and screaming. I get it. I know I overpaid. But I actually took this cast glass by mistake, because this G416 glass, I took it by mistake because there were these 2 wrapped globes, but I didn't know at the time it went to this. So I accidentally took the 3 that I thought went to it. But yeah, let's start with the light. This is just gonna be a flip fan. So here's the light. I'm just gonna flip this fan and then just resell it once I get all the parts. So let's go to low. This is my very first time testing it out. I didn't test it out yet, except now. So only tested out the light. But here's low. It didn't come with the mounting bracket either, so yeah. I'm using the one from my Encon chili pepper. Yeah, I'd really like to know some details about this fan now, knowing that it isn't an Encon, no Westinghouse, Supreme, Corinthian Supreme. So yeah. Let's go to medium. Medium. Not gonna be showing spin down in this video, it's just gonna be a quick little video. So yeah, it doesn't go all that fast because I got 3 like 42-inch blades on it, and the motor's not meant for that. It's meant for like 6 baby blades. Yeah, doing the try attacking with the chain, but here's high. Actually pushing off a lot of air, and it's going pretty good for having these big blades on it. It does wobble a little bit, but no big deal. The bulbs came from my Chatham, and yeah, there's the logo for the Westinghouse. But here's the light, and here's off. But yeah, thank you all for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.